issue. He says that the government will take steps to ensure the problem is solved. Ramlinga Reddy, who is the city in charge, will also look into the issue, is what the Chief Minister has gone on to state. The Chief Minister has gotten himself involved. He has gone on to say that they will take steps to ensure the problem is solved. Well, quite vague statements there. Problem for Mandur or for Bengaluru is what the Chief Minister has not made clear. However, he said that Ramlinga Reddy will look into the issue. Well, Harish, now coming back to you, we understand that the Chief Minister has gotten involved. He has said that he will sort out the issue, not exactly in which way, whether it is for Bengaluru, whether he will convince the Mandur villagers, or whether he will actually make an effort in removing the garbage and stopping the unsegregated waste from being dumped indiscriminately in another village. But if you could just tell the villagers that the Chief Minister has reacted, we would like to get their reactions on the same.
Well, as we speak, several of these villages are huddled up in a meeting with the panchayat leaders. So it will be difficult to talk to them, but definitely, even though the Chief Minister has said that they will bring out a solution, you will have to look at what are the options in front of the BBMP for solution or for dumping of garbage. They do not have any landfill apart from Mandur right now that is operational. Also, their biomethanization plants, as I mentioned, are at very initial stages. They cannot use them. Also, the KCDC plant is also not working. So they have very limited option apart from really going ahead and convincing the villagers of Mandur, Nishita.
Right, absolutely. And also any 10 seats being witnessed there, Harish, considering that yesterday a few of the protesters had even threatened to commit suicide.
Well, since the morning there were a few law and order situations where people went ahead and shut down the panchayat office and several other shops that were near the panchayat office. Apart from that, the protest has been by and large peaceful. Several of these protesters are saying that we will follow the Gandhian way, we will sit over here, we'll protest, and if in case the police want to arrest us, they can go ahead and arrest us. But our conviction is the same. We will not allow any truck to enter Mandur. That's their word of protest, Nishita.
Right, thank you, Harish, for joining us with all those details. Well, let's also tell our viewers that the city in charge, Ramlinga Reddy, has gone on to state that it is all because of the BJP government that such a situation has come about, and that they are trying to undo what the BJP government had done. But for the last over a year, the Congress government has been in power, but no concrete solution to the woes of Mandur. Quite evidently, the Chief Minister seems to have spoken up finally and said that he will look into the matter and he will find a solution. But the villagers at Mandur seem to be absolutely adamant on their demand. They are refusing for the garbage to be dumped, and rightfully so, considering that their homes are being ruined thanks to the unsegregated garbage being dumped on a regular basis.
ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರನ್ನು 2 ಬಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು.